Okay, traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. Today we're going to talk about the play of the day on AIG. Basically, if you look at AIG here on a daily chart, let's take a look. We have our e-signal software here with our Trading123 PowerTrend, couple moving averages, and our trend finder and our pivots. And basically, with the trend finder, it broke out of a wedge here. And on the bottom here, we had a coiled spring that formed as it broke out of the wedge here. And above the red line was pretty bullish. And as you see, the volume picked up and up the stock has gone. So I've been playing it since it was about it was around $33 here. It's nice to catch these when they first come out of this coiled spring and the wedge here, because it catches the shorts and you'll get a 1 or 2 point move to the upside, usually on stocks under $50 a share. Stocks over $100 a share could see a 2 to 4 to 5 point move. So AIG was on the radar here on August 13th, and it broke out above this 32.70 price range, coming out of a coiled spring here. And it trended straight up. Volume got above normal, and it peaked here. And up it went. So this move was all based on looking at the daily chart, identifying the coiled spring move, and breaking out of the trend finder wedge pattern. So you put the stock on a watch list. It breaks out above the previous day's high and new highs here, and then you just trend it up, and it pretty much stayed afloat all day till it hit up here near 33.20, and then it pulled back a little. Not a huge move, but long from 32.70 up into the 33.10 area where I took profits. So basically what you do is you put the stock on a watch list for the next day to see if it's going to continue. Now let's look what AIG did the next day. So here's AIG the following day, the 14th. Basically gapped up, held the gap long here, 33.40, and it trended up all the way to 34's whole number resistance. Our power trend here is all green, momentum strong, and up it went. It bounced off the moving average here. 34 was support, went up here, and then fizzled out at 34.60. So potential profits on the trade. Long from 33.40 as it was a breakout play, and you see the big volume come in here that's moving the price. So 34 with an area to take profits. It pulls back, bounces off of 34, and keeps going up to 34.60. And then when you got your dojis up here, it's time to take profits. And then you put the stock on a watch list for the next day. Now these lines on the chart are basically, this is the previous day's high. The blue line here is the previous day's close. And the red line is the low for the day from the previous day. So those are all important support areas, as you'll see, come into play in trading. So the following day here, AIG breaks out here again. Once again, it gaps down. Big volume surge at the open. The blue line right here is an important factor in trading. Price crosses it. All institutions are long. And basically my target was right here into the 34.40 area. Long here from 33.82. And it went right to the target, took the profits, and banked them. So this is what the chart looks like on the 1 minute chart. As you see, gap down, got some volume here, 100,000 shares. Not as strong as the close as yesterday. That's another sign that institutions were probably accumulating AIG. And it broke out here. Long, always right here at this magic blue line. Price holds support. It's above the moving averages. And up we go. It went right to the pivot point. Exit, take your profits, and move on. So that's the way I traded AIG this week. And as you see here, the momentum from the PowerTrend Indicator, basically it lost steam as it's been up 3 days in a row, fell through the moving averages, and then just went sideways the rest of the day. But the whole key to the factor was identifying the Coiled Spring play and then putting it on a watch list and playing it using the trend indicator and the pivots and volume analysis to get in and out of the trades. Hope you enjoyed the video and good luck with your trading. For more information on our software, visit our website at Trading123.net.